Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can access the screen reader on your Kindle. Might be useful for you if you've got limited vision. Now I've already connected up this Bluetooth speaker to the Kindle. We've already done a video on that, so you can watch that if you're unsure how to connect up a speaker via Bluetooth. So we want to go into the settings menu. Two ways of doing that. We can either scroll down from the top, or we can just tap somewhere in the top part of the screen and it will bring up this menu here, and we can just click the three dots and we can go to settings. When we're in settings, we're going to go to accessibility and we're going to go to voice view screen reader. At the moment it's off. We're going to turn it on. If you haven't connected a Bluetooth device, you will be prompted to do so when you do this. There we go. So I've turned it on now.
Voice view enabled. Back button.
And it's
tap to select.
It's going to talk through what's on the screen. So if I was to go to tutorial.
Tutorial, learn how to explore your Kindle by touch. Guided by voice view spoken feedback. Button. Volume, adjust the volume of voice view spoken feedback. 4 button.
So you can see that it's talking you through what's on the screen there. Now, if you've turned on voice view screen reader by accident, or you were just experimenting and you wanted to see what it was like, to turn it off, we just have to tap this button here, but you have to tap it twice, because when we tap it, it's going to tell us what the button is. So I'm going to tap it once and again to actually turn it off. So once, twice. And there you go, you can see it's turned off. Otherwise, it's just going to keep reading you every time you touch something on the screen. So that's it, that's how to do your voice view screen reader. Thanks for watching.